Today we're going to talk about psychometric profiling. Your people are your biggest asset. We 100% agree with that. But business owners and leaders tell us that they're also the biggest source of frustration, your biggest source of challenges, and we all know that in many cases they're your biggest cost. So anything you can do to understand your people, to manage them, motivate them and develop them is going to give you a real positive return on your effort. That's what psychometrics are all about. Sound good? I wanted to cover what is a DiSC psychometric profile. I've worked with various types of psychometrics for over 30 years. In the last 5 years, that's been exclusively using DiSC. We use the DiSC system internally and in our recruitment. We've chosen to use the DiSC system and become a DiSC authorized partner because the DiSC system is a simple but powerful representation of an individual's psychometric profile. This simplicity means you can expect to apply it very quickly, especially in the moments that really matter. For example, if you're dealing with conflict, or you have to address poor performance, or in recruitment and in developing high-performing teams. Why? There are 4 key reasons why. The first, you'll understand yourself more deeply. You'll find the hidden motivators and also the barriers, the stressors that potentially reduce your management and leadership effectiveness. Secondly, they'll quickly teach you to read other people and to give you a wider perspective on why are they behaving the way that they are. Thirdly, you'll learn to make the subtle adjustments that suit other people around you, make them feel more comfortable. And finally, you'll build better rapport, create stronger connections and build more effective relationships. And those things help you deliver better results. Next, how do psychometrics work? In any particular situation or task, we've got many options that we could take, but we prefer quite a narrow range of behaviours. We make this preference without realising. We use certain approaches again and again. So when we respond to issues, at work or at home, we adopt a particular style. Because these preferences are unconscious, we continue to use them even where they might not be the most effective approach. These unconscious preferences are our psychometrics, and they exert a powerful unconscious influence on everything that we do. Sometimes they're helpful and we get good results. Sometimes they're not so helpful and we get conflict and frustration and poor results. So let me tell you a little bit more about your DiSC psychometric profile. DiSC is split into 4 main profiles, and the D stands for dominance. This is a profile with a focus on results, strong-willed and forceful. The I stands for influence, a profile with a lot of positivity, very outgoing, very enthusiastic. The S stands for steadiness. This is a preference for a supportive, thoughtful, more accommodating approach. And the C stands for conscientiousness, an analytical, considered and structured approach. Now these are the positives of each of the profiles, and in many situations these will be really effective. In some cases, it's an essential approach. If you think psychometric profiling could help you get more from your people, then please just get in touch.